So as we're midway through October, we know what's coming around the corner. Guy Fawkes Night, and then New Year's Eve, and some people also set off fireworks around Halloween and all these dates. And if you're a pet owner, you're most probably thinking about anxiety in your dog. Not a lot of animals do well with the fireworks. I personally hate the bangs myself. But I know a lot of animals really struggle with this, and it puts a lot of people into anxiety mode. Oh God, I'm going to have to deal with 2 weeks worth of fireworks going off and have to deal with my pet, especially my dog, in absolute anxiety. What can I do? And then we think about going to the vets and having to pay out for sedatives, and that's not good for your dog. So what can you do to make your dog calm when all these bangs are going on? Well, number one, you need to be calm yourself, because your dog is feeding off your anxiety. But there are some other things you can do. And there is aromatherapy oils that you can put around your house that are safe for your dogs to calm their anxiety around these bangs. And you would want to do it, you'd put them around the room maybe that morning of the Guy Fawkes Night. You do it for that 2 weeks. If need be, have a little bottle made up, and you could put a few drops on your own hands using a pair of gloves. Always use a pair of gloves. So put on a pair of gloves, rub a couple of drops onto your own hand, and then massage it very gently into your dog's fur, specifically at the back of the collar, or a tiny amount on the upper chest of the actual dog. But preferably you want to be doing it more in distilled water. You can diffuse it and use it as a spray. So you just put a few drops in some water, little bottle, give it a shake and use it as a spray. Alternatively, you can use these oil burners you can get, like the Glade plug-in type of things. What oils should you be using then? Because not all of them are safe for dogs. And remember, we are talking a couple of drops of essential oil. We're not talking half a bottle. Couple of drops. This stuff is strong. You don't need a lot. So you want to be looking at lavender, cedarwood, orange. Sometimes, not all dogs like that. And one of the things you can do is kind of waft it in front of your dog and see if they repel. If the dog's going like this, you don't want to use it. Lemon, sandalwood, bergamot, and rose. And if all else fails, valerian. Valerian is a natural sedative, so that will completely make them go. But valerian can excite a cat in the same way and catnip can. So just bear that one in mind. It's a double-edged. Great for dogs, sometimes triggers cats. So careful with valerian, guys. I hope this helps people cope with their dogs during the fireworks season. This has been Thoughts with Points. Take care.